Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming exactly which app process you will stop and why. Use Settings or ADB to get the package name, and then verify a running PID so you don't guess. Once done, enable USB debugging and connect to a PC with ADB installed. This prepares you to execute commands safely. Make sure your device remains charged and unlocked during the session, because commands will fail if the screen locks or the connection drops. Now stop the process and prevent immediate restart. Run M4 stop to kill the running app, then use PM disable user to turn off the package for the main user. After that, revoke key permissions and disable broadcast receivers or services tied to startup so the app cannot relaunch itself. If disable user fails, use PM uninstall, K user 0 to remove it for the user. Throughout, monitor logcat briefly to finish by removing residual files and checking system privileges. Uninstall the package for your user and clear its data and cache. If it has device administrator or accessibility rights, revoke those first. Make sure no companion apps or profiles can reinstall it. If it still reappears, boot into safe mode to confirm whether third-party components are responsible, and as a last resort backup and perform a factory reset. If you run into errors, check ADB error messages and ensure USB debugging and user permissions are correct.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.